Stunning. That's a bit stunning. Okay, I got my haircut yesterday, and I will have a midterm test tomorrow about a subject named Kita Visuli. So I have to go to sleep soon. So this is the end of the day. This is the last video. Today I slept to 9 a.m. and then I learned English at school, and then I was at the library to until 7 p.m. Then I met Kang, my pal, my long term friend that I have never met for a long time. Then I came home and played something, and then it's time to sleep. So goodbye. Uh, yeah, nothing more to share or to confide. So goodbye and see you tomorrow.